Namaste, pyare bachcho. Today we are going to learn one new lesson. It's a poem. The name of this poem is Badal. You know what is the meaning of Badal? What is the meaning of Badal? Cloud. Okay. So about cloud. This poem is about cloud. Cloud is saying something. When the cloud comes down, what will happen? We will get rain. So at that time, what are the reactions or what will happen in nature? That is explaining here in this poem the poet. Who is written this poem? This poem is written by Kamala Dikshit. Name of the writer is Kamala Dikshit. Okay, so we can move to the lesson. We can start the first. I will read this poem. After that, I will explain. Okay, ready? I will try to sing in one tune. That if you can, you just try to sing in same tune. Any tune is there for any poem. It will be easy to learn. Just try. Okay. बादल नन्ही नन्ही जल की बूंदे जब लेकर आता बादल बेला की नव पंखुड़ियों में मोती से बिखराता बादल. Did you get? Once again I will sing. नन्ही नन्ही जल की बूंदे जब लेकर आता बादल बेला की नव पंखुड़ियों में मोती से बिखराता बादल. What's the meaning of this first four line? We can see. Okay. नन्ही नन्ही जल की बूंदे. What is the meaning of nanni nanni? Nanni means small. Real meaning is child or child, but here it is. What is the meaning nanni nanni? Small. Jal ki boonde. Jal means water. Boonde. What is the meaning of that word? Boonde. What is the meaning? Boonde means drops. The rain drops. That is boonde. So नन्ही नन्ही जल की बूंदे, the small drops of that rain, जब लेकर आता बादल. बादल, बादल, what is meaning? Cloud. When the cloud brings the small drops of water as rain, that's the meaning. What? जब, जब means when. लेकर आता, लेकर means by taking that. Who is coming? Cloud is coming. By lekar means bringing. Ata is coming by lekar, by taking that what? The small drops. Who is coming? Badal. Yes. When we can see that on the sky, we can see what? The badal, clouds. When we see the clouds on the sky, we can understand what? Maybe after a few minutes or later what will happen? Rain comes. So same way here, the clouds bringing the small drops of water as rain. Okay. बेला की नव पंखुड़ियों में मोती से बिखराता बादल. बेला, what is meaning बेला? Name of one flower, jasmine. Jasmine is known as बेला. Okay. बेला की नव पंखुड़ियों. नव means new. पंखुड़ियों means petals. The petals of that jasmine. मोती से बिखराता बादल. Like moti. What is meaning moti? Pearl. White pearl. You know that. Yeah. Like pearl, the badal scattered on the petals of the jasmine flower, the small drops of water scattered on the petals of the jasmine flower, and it's look like what pole are scattered on this flower. Clear? Because it's white in color. So by if the light comes on that drops, it will start to shine. So we will feel like poles. Okay. So here the poet Kamala Dikshit, she explained or she is describing here when the clouds come here by bringing the small drops of water, what is happening on the jasmine flowers, what is the reaction and how it's look like. Okay, that is explaining here the poet. First four line, once again I will sing. Ready? नन्ही नन्ही जल की बूंदे जब लेकर आता बादल. All of you sing with me. बेला की नव पंखुड़ियों में मोती से बिखराता बादल. Okay, so this four line meaning of this four line I think you got. Next four line. कुछ कुछ झुक झुक कर कुछ हंस हंस कर कुछ सिहर सिहर कुछ मचल मचल चंपे की कलियां खिल उड़ती नवजल से सुरभित होकर. Next four line. Again I will sing. कुछ झुक झुक कर कुछ हंस हंस कर कुछ सिहर सिहर कुछ मचल मचल चंपे की कलियां खिल उड़ती नवजल से सुरभित होकर. What is the meaning of next four line? कुछ, see when clouds comes by when clouds comes, it is carrying or it brings the small drops of water. So at that time, what is happening here? That is explaining our poetess. कुछ झुक झुक कर means few plants or few flowers. What is doing? That is jhuk jhuk kar means crouching. That is the meaning. Jhuk jhuk means crouching. So sometimes when the water drops comes and when it falls on the flowers or leaf of any plant, what will happen? It may be going down. So the poet is telling that, or he felt or she felt that what the plant is crouching means bowing the head like झुक झुक कर. Some plants are झुक झुक कर कुछ हंस हंस कर. But some other plants that are become very happy. So all plants are happy, but when the drops comes on that leaves, some will be crouching and some others they are become very happy, so they will start to laugh. So next line, कुछ सिहर सिहर कुछ मचल मचल. Then what will happen? कुछ सिहर सिहर. सिहर सिहर means what? Trembling or shivering. Means when the drops comes, what will happen? Some plants will be like shivering. It will vibrate or it will be trembling. Sihar sihar means trembling. And kuch machal machal means because of that rain comes, what will be the climate? It will be cold. So some plants are become very lazy and they will be machal to insist. They will be insisting. Oh no, why this rain comes? Oh, I can't sleep or something like that. So same with that will be insist. why this drops comes now, or why the rain started now. Such a way they will feel. So that also is there. Then चंपे की कलियां खिल उड़ती. Champe, what is the meaning of champe? Another flower or plant, like bella, what is the meaning? Jasmine. Same way, this is another plant or flower. What? Champa. Champa means champa itself, the name of that plant or flower. चंपे की कलियां, कलियां, what is the meaning? कलियां, buds. खिल उड़ती, it will bloom. When the drop comes, what will happen? Champa will start to bloom. The buds will bloom. Now Jal say, when the rain comes, it brings what? The new and pure water. So now Jal say, in that, with that new water, surabhit ho hokar, surabhit ho hokar, it will be like fragrant, like scented, because then if the new rain comes, there will be good smell will be spreading everywhere. So when the rain comes, now Jal say, with that new water, what will happen? Surabhit ho hokar, everywhere will be scented, or good smell will be there everywhere. Okay, the meanings from this two stanza. Nanhi nanhi, what is the meaning? Small. Boonde means water drops. Badal, cloud. Bela, what is the meaning? Bela, jasmine. Nav, new. Pankhudiyon is there in the textbook. Again I will tell. Petals. Moti, moti means what is the meaning? Pearl. Pearl, pearl. Bikharata, bikharata, what is the meaning? Scattered. Bikharata, what is the meaning? Scattered. Then which? Jhuk jhukkar, what is the meaning? Jhuk, jhuk means crouch. That's the meaning. CROUCH, crouch. Has haskar, hasna, what is the meaning? To laugh or smile. Kuch sihar sihar, sihar means trembling or shivering. That's the meaning. Sihar sihar means trembling. TREMBLING, trembling. Then kuch machal machal, machal means to insist. INSIST, to insist. Okay. Champe ki kaliyan khil udti. Champa means, what is the meaning? The plant champa itself. CHAMPA, champa. Then kaliyan, what is the meaning? Kali, buds, flower buds. Then khil udti, khil udti means bloom, bloom. Now Jal say, now means new, Jal means water. Surabhid, scented, SCENTED, scented. These are the meanings from this two stanza. Okay, Badal. So this 8 lines you have to write and study 3 times. These 8 lines of the poem you have to write and study how many times? 3 times. Then meanings you have to, that one side, that's enough. Bela, that I will explain now. Bela, what is the meaning? Bela, what is the meaning? Bela, ek fool, jasmine, one flower, jasmine. Navar means new. Pankhudiyaan, फूल की पत्तियां, petals. सिहर सिहर, कांपते हुए, trembling. Champa, another flower, champa itself. Surabhid means sugandhid, scented. Tushar, himakant, snowflakes. These are the meanings from these 8 lines. Then now we can discuss about मौखिक क्वेश्चन आंसर. इस कविता में किसके बारे में इस कविता में किसके बारे में बताया? दैट्स द क्वेश्चन। इस कविता में बादल के बारे में कहा गया। So about whom is telling in this poem? In this poem, poet is telling about cloud. Second question, बादल की बूंदें कैसी हैं? How is the drop of that clouds? बादल की बूंदें नन्ही नन्ही. What is the meaning नन्ही? Small, small. These two मौखिक question. Then next we can see the लिखित question. First one. बेला की पंखुड़ियों पर बादल क्या करता है? That is the question. Answer is बादल बेला की पंखुड़ियों पर जल की बूंदें गिराता है और जो मोती जैसी लगती है. बादल what is doing the clouds on the petal of that jasmine? What is doing? बादल बेला की पंखुड़ियों पर on the petals of that jasmine जल की बूंदें गिराता है. It is spraying or showering what? The drops on the petals of that jasmine and मोती जैसी लगती है. And it looks like what? Pearl. These are the मौखिक and लिखित question answers. Second question also लिखित. चंपा की कलियों पर वर्षा का क्या प्रभाव पड़ता है? चंपे की कलियों पर वर्षा का क्या प्रभाव पड़ता है? What difference or what happens when the drops fall on the petals of that champa and what changes comes? What? वर्षा की बूंदें गिरने से चंपा की कलियां खिलकर फूल बन जाती है. Yes, वर्षा की बूंदें गिरने से when the raindrops come on the flower of that chamba, चंपा की कलियां, the flower buds खिलकर it blooms and फूल बन जाती है. It is become flower. That flower buds, when the drops comes on that flower buds, what will happen? It will bloom and it will become flower. These are the changes happen. These are the changes. Then पर्यायवाची शब्द. आभा. What is the meaning आभा? चमक, कांति, प्रकाश. The brightness. There's two words enough that you have to study. Two is enough. चमक, कांति, प्रकाश. Any two. Meaning is brightness. बादल means cloud. The words are जलद, वारदी, घन. सुरभिद, सुरभिद, सुगंधित, सुगंधयुक्त and खुशबूदार, fragrant or scented. That is the meaning. उपवन, उपवन means बगीचा, garden. बगीचा, वाटिका, उद्यान. Any two you have to study. Then नव, नव means new. नवीन, नूतन, नवल. From this, any two you have to study. Okay. This is only for today's class, and you have to write and study the question answers. Maukik, two question answers are there that you have to write and study 3 times. Likhit also 2 question answers that also you have to study 3 times. Then meanings 5 times. Then Paryayavachi Shabd, that also 5 times you have to write and study. Then poem 8 lines you have to by heart. Then you have to write and study the poem 8 line also 3 times. We will meet next day. Bye bye.